Welcome to the AI Side Hustle Lab. In this series, you'll learn how to build scalable income streams using artificial intelligence, whether you're a teacher, freelancer, or creative entrepreneur. Each episode gives you practical tools, workflows, and strategies that you can apply immediately. This channel is also the companion to my book, AI Side Hustles, which you can find linked below. Let's dive in and start building your future with AI. In this series, I'll show you how artificial intelligence is reshaping entrepreneurship and whether you're a teacher, freelancer, or creative thinker, AI tools now allow you to launch income generating projects faster than ever. This isn't hype. It's a practical shift in how we work. Each episode will give you one clear strategy you can apply immediately. You'll learn how to use tools like chatgpt, Canva AI, and Midjourney to build scalable income streams. Let's dive in. An AI side hustle is any income generating activity that uses artificial intelligence to accelerate creation, automation, or delivery. Think blog posts written with ChatGPT, logos designed in Canva AI, or tutoring enhanced with flashcard generators. These hustles are fast to launch, low cost, and scalable. You don't need to be a tech expert, just curious and willing to experiment. AI is your assistant and not your replacement. You bring the ideas, and AI helps you execute them. There's never been a better time to start. All AI tools are more accessible than ever. Many are free or offer generous trial tiers. Remote work is normalized, and digital entrepreneurship is booming. Customers are actively searching for content, education, and digital products. You can launch a hustle in hours, not weeks. The market is wide open, and early adopters have a real advantage. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start with momentum and iterate as you go. AI side hustles are for everyone. Teachers can create study guides. Designers can sell templates. Writers can publish ebooks. Even if you've never launched a business before, AI levels the playing field. You don't need to be tech savvy, just curious and willing to learn. These hustles are flexible, scalable, and perfect for part-time creators or full-time entrepreneurs. If you have ideas, AI helps you bring them to life. Let's talk tools. ChatGPT helps you write and brainstorm. Canva AI helps you design logos, templates, and social media graphics. Midjourney generates stunning digital art. Surfer SEO helps you organize blog content for search engines. Zapier connects your apps and automates workflows. You don't need to master them all. Just pick one and start experimenting. The tools are intuitive and designed to help you move fast. There are dozens of AI-powered hustles you can launch. Blogging is a great starting point. AI helps you generate content and optimize for SEO. Kindle publishing is another. You can draft guides and format them for sale. YouTube creators use AI to script videos and design thumbnails. Tutors use AI to create flashcards and study plans. Designers sell printables and templates. SEO freelancers use AI to research keywords and build niche websites. The possibilities are vast. Let's look at real examples. Maria was a freelance writer who used chatgpt to outline and draft articles. She doubled her income in 3 months. Raj, a biology teacher, published AI-powered study guides on Kindle and now earns passive royalties. Lena, a designer, sells Canva templates on Etsy and Gumroad. These aren't tech founders. They're everyday creators, just like you, using AI to scale. You can follow their path with the right tools and mindset. To succeed, you need to shift your mindset. You're not just a worker completing tasks. You're a creator building systems. AI helps you prototype quickly, iterate based on feedback, and scale sustainably. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Treat your hustle like a business, not a hobby. Your mindset determines your momentum. The more you think in systems, the faster you grow. Scalability is the secret to turning a side hustle into a business. With AI, you can repurpose content across platforms. A blog post becomes a YouTube script, an ebook becomes a course. You can automate delivery, customer service, and even marketing campaigns. Digital products sell globally, around the clock, without you needing to be online. The beauty of scalability is that you build once and earn repeatedly. This is how side hustles grow into sustainable businesses. With great power comes great responsibility. AI can generate content quickly, but it's your job to ensure it's accurate, original, and ethical. Always edit and personalize AI outputs so they reflect your voice. Use plagiarism checkers to verify originality. Fact check to avoid spreading misinformation. Be transparent with clients and customers about how you use AI. Remember, AI should empower, not deceive. Ethical practices build trust, and trust is the foundation of long-term success. Your journey begins with one simple step. Choose one hustle to start with: blogging, tutoring, design, or publishing. Explore one AI tool this week and learn its basics. Draft one product or piece of content, even if it's rough. Publish it and share with a small audience. Track feedback, refine, and improve. The most important thing is to take action. Momentum matters more than perfection. Start now, and you'll be amazed at how quickly progress builds. This is just the beginning. In episode 2, we'll dive into blogging with AI, exploring tools, workflows, and monetization strategies. Subscribe to this channel for weekly episodes and free resources. Download the checklist link below to start planning your first hustle. And if you want deeper strategies, check out my Kindle book, AI Side Hustles. Together, we'll build your first income stream and scale it into something bigger. The future of work is waiting, and it's yours to shape. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Give the video a like. It really helps more creators discover this content. And share it with anyone who's ready to build smarter income streams with AI. And if you want to go deeper, check out my book, AI Side Hustles. It's packed with step by step strategies and real examples to help you launch your first AI powered project. You'll find the link right below this video. Thanks again for being here. Let's keep building your future, one smart hustle at a time.